what's holding back the next big leap in display technology? Micro LED is a game changer, but not without its hurdles. Let's take a closer look why. First, there's complexity in the manufacturing process. Creating these minuscule LEDs demands precision and innovation. The cost of micro LED production remains high compared to OLED and LCD technologies. Achieving uniform brightness and color is a significant challenge. Advanced testing ensures the quality and reliability of every pixel. Despite these challenges, micro LEDs are transforming consumer electronics. In cars, micro LEDs enhance safety with clearer, more durable displays. And they shine in public spaces, offering unbeatable brightness and clarity. In wearables, micro LEDs have the potential to offer bright, long-lasting displays perfect for on-the-go. While micro LEDs are transforming our world, Advantest is pioneering the future of display technology. Advantest, illuminating the path to brighter, smarter technology.